First turn off the power. Then remove these 3 screws. Take off the bottom cover. Pay attention to this. Don't pull it all out. Then, pull out all the terminals. Then pull out these. Rubber rings and colored glue. Pull out the pairs. Pull this one too. Take all these out too. Then these 2 are for measuring voltage. Then the voltage is raised to 200 volts. These 2. Then the voltage is normal as shown here. Positive and negative red to red, black to black. Connect red to red as before. Black to black. White. These is a small bump here. Then align it with the slot on this side. Then insert it. This side. Also insert it towards the point in the picture. Then put it back. Then tighten it.